We started this journey about 4 years ago, putting in place a strategic plan. We've had teams of people going over to China where these particular cranes have been manufactured the last 2 years, making sure the quality and all of the other bases that we need so well is going to be in place.
I've been following it for about 2 weeks. It's just definitely like a sight to see.
When you take two pieces of steel and you was able to weld it up, come into a configuration of something that you can lift 65, 70 tons with, it's a feat to behold.
Going down to Southport this morning and seeing the community there and their enthusiasm for what we were doing. And people recognize, I think, that we're an economic engine for the entire state. The arrival of these two cranes this morning is a big deal for everyone.
It's exciting to see what we're able to do as a state when we come together, because there were so many different components that made this work. Various other entities around the state, our governmental leaders, and we have a terrific board. U.S. Coast Guard came through just in a material way of making sure that we could do this safe.
The Neo-Panamax cranes will allow us to work the largest vessels that are calling the East Coast. Cranes support our customers' needs. It gives our team, who are the top performers on the East and Gulf Coast, the tools to do the job.
Simultaneously, what it does too, it increases our capabilities that we're able to operate more vessels at the same time.
Our customers are excited to see us keeping up with the cutting-edge technology. Our customers are asking for us to be available, and this certainly helps us do what we do best, meet our customers' demand and get them in and out of the gate as fast as possible.
What we really spend a lot of time on in North Carolina ports is efficiency, and that efficiency being translated into speed. Speeds that's the best on the East Coast, so that we can continue to attract business through North Carolina. And we don't want to be part of it, we want to be ahead of it.
We're in a very, very good position in terms of being an attractive market for the ocean carriers. We're 52% export. So a lot of that is forestry, proteins in terms of pork and poultry. There's agriculture, there's machinery, there's apparel and textiles.
We're part of that global supply chain, and we want to be a very active conduit and a very active component.
The menu of what we can offer as a port has expanded fivefold just in this year. Amount of jobs, either direct or indirect, that's up over 75,000 across the state of North Carolina. It's about $14 billion in economic impact for the state.
Seeing these arrive just gets us excited for what's going to be the next 10 years of our business.
To see this port really expand and come to life the way it is, it touches so many people in the community, the truckers, longshoremen, freight forwarders.
As the United States continues to grow, we have more population, there's a migration of business that's coming to the Southeast. What we want, again, is to keep North Carolina not only competitive, but ahead of others so that we can see this growth continue. This isn't just an investment that's taking place now. These cranes are going to be around for 20, 25 years. They're an instrument of economic activity for this region as well as the whole state and the Southeast.